The switch just got flipped. Bitcoin heading to 200,000, Ethereum skyrocketing to 5 figures. Both Michael Saylor, Tom Lee getting exceptionally bullish on where the price of Bitcoin is going to go. Now, how do we get there? And what do we need to look out for to really signal that this is coming? Well, in this video, I'm breaking down exactly what they talked about and the plan and roadmap to $200,000 for Bitcoin and a 5-figure Ethereum. So go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. So for many people, the markets have already topped out and, well, people will have you believe that to be the case. There is obviously the big catalyst coming up on September the 17th with rate cuts and Jerome Powell's decision. JP Morgan itself sharing what it expects from the Fed's meeting this month and what do they predict is the most likely scenario. Well, JP Morgan say a 25 basis point cut in the September meeting with potentially weak employment data could leave inflation high. This could lead to further rate cuts further down the line. In fact, the federal decision right now and the probability measure currently sits around 89.4% for a 25 basis point cut and now 10.6% for a 50 basis points cut. The reality is 50 basis points probably feels a little bit excessive. However, if we were to get something like that, this could pave the way for a very bullish Q4. In fact, this could, as Tom Lee says, give us and pave the way for institutional buying into this market like we have yet to see this bull run.
Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies like Ethereum are super sensitive to monetary policy. So I think that September 17th is an important catalyst. Crypto typically does really well in the fourth quarter. So I think Bitcoin can easily get to 200,000 before year end. I know it's a big move. It's almost a double.
Now, some of the other key drivers that we look at for institutions is stablecoins, and in fact, stablecoin reserve. Remember, a lot of people get into this market by buying stablecoins and then get into their cryptocurrency of choice. Right now, the stablecoins on reserve is exhibiting a massive surge. In fact, the 30-day chart here is showing a nearly $6 billion reserve of stablecoins. This is great for markets and great for institutions that want to get in. Now, don't forget, Ethereum, as well as Tom Lee getting bullish on that, is going crazy. Net inflows on ETFs continue to show real strength. In fact, with $246 million surging into those Ethereum ETFs on September the 5th, this looks like it's going to continue. And recently, ETHZilla just secured an $80 million OTC financing with none other than Cumberland, a very big liquidity provider to the cryptocurrency markets. This is playing out exactly as we expected and therefore could signal Ethereum may be moving to the upside. Now, remember what also benefits from a massive Ethereum move. Altcoins, that's right. We could therefore see a massive move in the meme coin sector and altcoins. In fact, Ethereum funding rates on exchanges right now is going crazy. Many people are predicting that Ethereum will be the front runner. This therefore giving a massive opportunity to all your favorite altcoins and all of your favorite meme coins that could be pumping to insanity. That topped with a Bitcoin that, well, as Michael Saylor said, is about to go crazy as well, could signal a monumental run in Q4.
Well, most of the equity analysts that follow our stock have target prices for Bitcoin, and they're all north of 150. Bitcoin represents a digital transformation of the capital markets, and so the more people know about it, the more they get educated on it, the more companies embrace it, the higher it goes. You can't make any more of it.
Right. That may be all, but in terms of just what you're seeing in terms of flows and whatnot, that would get it to $200,000 by the end of the year.
Yeah, great flows from the ETFs. BlackRock is showing record numbers. Our companies raised $19 billion this year.
And don't believe me, the technicals are signaling that yes, we could see another massive run on altcoins as well. The cup and handle pattern playing out very favorably, looking for that second breakout to the upside, signaling yet again an enormous Q4 in the crypto market. So what is the short-term price predictions? Well, Bitcoin currently trading around $112,200, looking for a key support here on this white line, looking for that breakout above those small-term exponential moving averages. But if Michael Saylor and Tom Lee have their way and institutions are going to head into this market as we predict, well, the cryptocurrency prices are about to go crazy. You could see Bitcoin 2x from here, Ethereum 3x, and many of your favorite altcoins doing a 10 to 15x very, very soon. All of that, well, simply could leave all those short sellers and people who got on the market wishing they'd stayed in and wishing they were dialed into this altcoin market. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. I, for one, predict a big move in the Bitcoin market. We've been talking about this for a while. And if you want to get all the alpha, do absolutely join our Discord channel. Link in the description. It's totally free to do so. Or if you want to become a channel member and get access to our premium service, link is also in the description. We'd love to see you over there. Okay, with that being said, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.